All right, we are going to cut a sign using die bond, M bond, doesn't matter what bond, because in this video we're going to be James Bond and cut a two-tone sign using some of the techniques that we have learned. Let's jump into it. All right, so we've just cut our own sales sign. This is to help people get towards the sales team. This took a couple of minutes, like 2. And in all honesty, this thing would have cost maybe 800-900 Rand for us to have purchased. But if you own an AM.CO machine, well, you could be making the 900 bucks instead of the next guy. Give it a thought.
At AM.CO.za, we sell machines for you, we fix machines for you, and we teach machines for you.